Social media management plays a crucial role in the contemporary digital marketing landscape. It involves the strategic planning, execution, and monitoring of a brand's presence on various social media platforms. Stay tuned as we reveal 5 useful platforms for social media management at the end of this video. Social media managers are responsible for curating and creating compelling content that resonates with the target audience while aligning with the brand's identity and objectives. They collaborate closely with marketing and communication teams to understand the brand's values and target audience. This enables them to identify the most suitable social media platforms and establish key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure the success of their efforts. They also utilize interactive elements such as polls, quizzes, and stories to drive audience engagement. It is essential that the content aligns with the brand's voice and resonates with the interests of the target audience. Engagement with the online community is another critical function of the social media manager. They actively respond to comments, messages, and mentions from followers, fostering discussions and addressing queries. Beyond active engagement, social media managers practice social listening. This involves monitoring conversations and sentiment surrounding the brand, its products, and the industry. Valuable insights gained from social listening enable them to understand customer preferences, pain points, and emerging trends, informing future strategies. The social media manager utilizes analytics tools to track the performance of each social media channel and campaign. To stay ahead in the dynamic social media landscape, social media managers remain current with platform changes and new features. This adaptability and innovation enable them to keep the brand's strategy fresh and effective. They also keep a close eye on competitors' social media activities to benchmark and gain insights into industry trends and best practices. In addition to organic reach, the social media manager may oversee paid social media advertising campaigns. They develop advertising strategies, set budgets, and target specific audiences to maximize the impact of promotions. By effectively utilizing social media platforms, social media managers empower brands to connect, engage, and grow in the competitive digital world. Becoming a social media manager involves several steps and skills. It starts with obtaining a relevant education in marketing, communications, or a related field. While formal education is helpful, hands-on experience is equally valuable. Familiarizing yourself with various social media platforms and staying updated on industry trends is essential. Building your personal brand by creating and curating content on social media demonstrates your expertise. Gaining practical experience through internships or entry-level positions is beneficial. Certifications in social media marketing can enhance your credibility. Developing analytical skills to measure social media performance and making data-driven decisions is crucial. Cultivating creativity in graphic design, photography, video editing, and copywriting is advantageous. Understanding your target audience and tailoring content to their preferences is vital. Networking with other professionals and specializing in a particular niche can set you apart. Creating a portfolio showcasing successful social media campaigns and projects can impress potential clients or employers. Embracing challenges, being adaptable to changes, and learning from both successes and failures is important. When you feel confident in your skills and experience, promote yourself as a social media manager to attract clients or seek job opportunities in this dynamic field. Overall, becoming a social media manager requires continuous learning, dedication, and passion for digital marketing. Stay curious, open to new ideas, and committed to refining your craft to succeed in the world of social media management. Aspiring social media managers have a plethora of platforms to choose from when building their careers in the dynamic world of digital marketing. Here are 5 popular platforms that offer exciting opportunities for those seeking to excel in social media management. Facebook is undeniably one of the most influential and widely used social media platforms globally. With over 2 billion monthly active users, it provides an enormous audience for businesses to connect with. As a social media manager on Facebook, you'll be responsible for creating engaging content, managing communities, running ad campaigns, and analyzing performance metrics. Facebook's robust advertising features and in-depth analytics tools make it a vital platform for any social media manager. As a social media manager on Twitter, you'll need to craft captivating tweets that resonate with the audience while staying within the character limit. Effective community engagement, responding to mentions, and leveraging trending hashtags are essential strategies for driving brand visibility and fostering meaningful connections. Instagram's visual nature makes it a favorite platform for businesses focused on aesthetics and storytelling. Social media managers on Instagram must create visually appealing content, such as high-quality images and engaging videos, to capture the audience's attention. Instagram Stories, IGTV, and influencer marketing play significant roles in brand promotion on this platform. Understanding Instagram's algorithm and using relevant hashtags are key to increasing reach and engagement. LinkedIn is primarily known as a professional networking platform. LinkedIn has evolved into a powerful tool for brand awareness and B2B marketing. Social media managers on LinkedIn focus on building a strong company presence, sharing industry insights, and fostering professional connections. Content must be informative, professional, and aligned with the brand's objectives. Leveraging LinkedIn groups and engaging with industry influencers can further expand a brand's reach on the platform. Pinterest is a unique platform that centers on visual discovery and inspiration. As a social media manager on Pinterest, you'll curate boards and pins that reflect the brand's identity and appeal to its target audience. Pinterest is particularly valuable for brands in the lifestyle, fashion, home decor, and DIY niches. Understanding Pinterest's search algorithm, using keyword-rich descriptions, and creating visually compelling content are essential for success on this platform. In conclusion, each of these 5 social media platforms offers distinct opportunities and challenges for aspiring social media managers. Building a successful career in social media management involves a deep understanding of each platform's nuances, the ability to craft engaging content, staying informed about industry trends, and leveraging analytics to measure performance. By strategically utilizing these platforms and developing a strong online presence, social media managers can effectively amplify a brand's voice, engage with its audience, and drive meaningful results in the ever-expanding digital landscape. If you found this video to be informative, please like and subscribe to our channel and stay up to date on our future content. Thank you for watching, and if you wish, then comment below.